From early days, me learn to move cautious. Beer nights, hot belly, empty heart callers. Sirens are crying, fence tell stories. Pain ride lessons in broken allegories. Mama tears, I like sleep on tongue. Promise me make when me young and strong. Friend drop quick like rain pan dust. Just get in, bladed rust. Street teach math with scars and laughs. Every step costs more than it costs. My vice grow deep from burden and dread. Life turned my soul to a season sage. Me carry memory heavy like chain. Truth burn slow, but me still remain. No fairy tale, just grit and grind. Fire in spirit, iron in spine. From dust and hunger, me carve me name. History into it, blood and flame. Me not fall, me not pretend. Heart stay loud till the very end. Backyard pray mix sweat and fear. Every Dantes who still stand near. Bad mind grin while blessing high. Smile sharp like cutlass side. Me learn free die, stone bread. Who select quick, who dance with death. Licking up nights, rage keep score. Door slam shot but me kick one more. Cause words fly when hope feels scarce. Yet grace slip through cracks still fierce. Me pen bleed through, no sugar coat. Each bar a life boat. Keep afloat, me carry memory heavy like chain. Truth burn slow, but me still remain. No fairy tale, just grit and grind. Fire in spirit, iron in spine. From dust and hunger, me carve me name. History into it, blood and flame. Me not fall, me not pretend. Heart stay loud till the very end. Stay right, start to storm and rain. Stand firm, again and again. Now me sing with grit and velvet tone. Soft edge cut deep like sharpened stone. Feminine grace in a warrior frame. Earth and power share the same flame. Pass that cloud but me lock the door. Turn wounds to wings, ask for more. Respect me earn, no borrow pride. Walk straight even when road divide. Crown made humble, throne unseen. Future bright from where me been. Me voice crack truth, no mask, no game. Legacy build, remember the name me carry. Memories heavy like chain. Truth burn slow, but me still remain.